symmetrical name creatures.
Week 1. Fold paper hot dog style. Write first name on the fold and cut around the tops of the letters without cutting through the fold.
Take a piece of paper and fold it in half. Hot dog style, as we like to say. Make sure that the edges touch before you crease. There's a nice strong fold. When dealing with symmetry, we know that symmetry means same on both sides. But same on both sides of what? The line of symmetry. In this case, our folded piece of paper has a line of symmetry here. The line of symmetry is the fold. So, the first thing I want to make sure that I'm doing is that I am using the fold as the place where I'm going to be writing. So check to make sure. Make sure that the paper opens at the top and that you are writing along the line of symmetry, the fold in the middle.
Check. It's open on the top, it's folded on the bottom. I'm ready to write.
And so you are going to write your name quite large. You can use all capital letters, but I think for this project it's best if you use capitalization for the beginning of your name, just like you would anywhere else. I am going to use Miss WD, and so I'm going to start all the way over here on the left, and I'm going to make my letters very big. My capital letter goes from the bottom of the page all the way up to the top of the page. If your name is very long, you might want to plan it out and just kind of draw a little line for each letter and make sure that you have enough space as you go along the page. Now, we are going to be tracing along the edge, like so, just on the top. We do not want to trace along any of the bottom. You could trace a little on the sides if you want. This outline is not tracing anything on the fold. So that's super important. And you want to make sure, once again, before you start cutting, that it opens at the top and not the bottom. And you are going to cut along the trace line. If you get stuck, you can just stop and carry on. Oops. I fell off my line a little bit. I'm still good to go. Sawing through the paper rather than snipping at it, using the inside of my scissors where they are stronger and they have more leverage because we are cutting through 2 pieces of thick paper. Now is the grand reveal. I'm going to find out what this looks like when I open it up. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This looks like...
Quick, what do you think it looks like?
Skeleton. I can imagine that this is the skull, and this is the spine, and these are the ribs, and these are the hips. Oh, it's going to be such a cool design. But that is the end of the week 1 activity, and I'll see you right back here for week 2.
Want feedback? Go upload a pic of your shape to Canvas. On week 2, draw a symmetrical design based on the symmetrical shape, and then color it in.
It is now time to start decorating and coloring and being so very creative. And so I am going to make my creepy skull. Symmetrical. As much as you can. I clearly did not do this right in the center, but that is okay. I'm so excited. All I need to do now is color, And so I'm gonna do that on my own while you go ahead and get started designing and coloring yours. Don't forget to upload. You can color this with crayons or pencils or markers. You can take out the paints like I did and paint. Sometimes I just feel like painting, but whatever you choose, make sure that your picture is completely colored, neatly colored, has good craftsmanship by the time you take a picture and upload it. I'm so excited to see your symmetrical name creatures.
Remember, upload a pic of your finished symmetrical name creature to Canvas to get a grade.
Meow? I mean,